Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fundrise, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Fundrise website URL. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the Fundrise homepage appears, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. You will be redirected to the Login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box labeled Remember Me. To proceed, click on the Login button at the bottom of the page. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Fundrise dashboard. Should you encounter any issues logging in, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to receive instructions for resetting your password. Follow the prompt sent to your email to create a new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page. Repeat the login steps using your updated credentials. After successfully logging in, explore your Fundrise account and its features. If you need assistance, consider reaching out to Fundrise customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.